Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your math teacher Miss Irum Hamid. Dears, in our previous lecture we started chapter number 4 and we did the definitions of algebraic expressions, polynomials and rational and irrational expressions. We also solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.1. Now we are going to start question number 3, that is about the reduction of the rational expression to the lowest form. The first part of this question is that you have to reduce 120 x square y cube z5 over 30 x cube y z square in its lowest form. We are going to solve this question in three different methods. The first method is that first of all reduce 120 over 30 in its lowest form by dividing 30 and 120. 0 cancel by 0 and 12 divided by 3, it is 4. Then we have to reduce these algebraic terms x square y cube z5 x cube y and z square in their lowest term, like in the numerator we are having x square and in the denominator we are having x cube. First of all, x cube should be split into these parts like x and x square so that x square can be cancelled with the numerator x square. Y cube is to be split up into y and y square so that it can be cancelled y with the y. And in the same way, z5 and z square will be cancelled in such a way that z5 will be splitted into z square and z cube, and z square is cancelled by z square. In the last, we are having 4 y square z cube over x. This is the lowest form of the question. Now we are going to do the same question by another method. In this method, 120 and 30, the same procedure to divide this thing. 120 divided by 30 is equal to 4. Now in this, what we have done, we have taken the, just see, the denominators variables into the numerator x, y and z. In the denominator, x was having the positive powers 3, y 1 and z square. When we take these three variables in the numerator, the powers sign will change. X minus 3, y minus 1 and z minus 2. Now, if we are having the same basis, powers are added or subtracted. Here you are having x square, x minus 3. X is the same variable, powers 2 minus 3. In the same way, y 3 minus 1, z 5 minus 2. You are having 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, y 3 minus 1, 2, z 5 minus 2, 3. Now we have to convert the negative powers to the positive powers as per the polynomial rule. So 4, x will come in the denominator, y square z cube over x. You see, in both the methods we are having the same answer. Now move towards the third method of the same question. 120 x square y3 z5 over 30 x cube y z square. Split up the variables into the lowest term, like this is x square, it means 2 times x, y cube means 3 times y, z5 means 5 times z. In the denominator, x3 means 3 times x, y means y, z square means 2 times z. Cancel whatever the values can be cancelled. So the remaining value is 4. Y we are having 2y, that cannot be cancelled. Y square, z, 1, 2, 3 powers of z, z is here. Only one power of x, 4 y square z cube over x. Now in the three methods of the same question, we are having the same answers. You can solve the one question in different methods. 2 of question number 3 is 8a x plus 1 over 2x square minus 1. Similarly, 8 over 2 constant values can be divided. 2 fours are 8. Now in the denominator we are having x square minus 1. You know the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b or a minus b. You can apply the formula over x square minus 1. X plus 1 will remain as it is. X square minus 1 is equal to x plus 1, x minus 1. X plus 1 over x plus 1, both values can be cancelled. We have already cancelled the constant value. 4a is left over here. These two values cancelled, and in the denominator we are having x minus 1. Finally, this is the answer of part 2. Now move towards the part 3. X plus y square minus 4xy, x minus y square whole square. You know there are two formulas which are going to apply. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Apply the formula. X plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy will remain as it is. In the denominator, x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy. These two are having the same value variables xy and xy. Plus minus minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. Sign will be minus 2xy. Now we are having the same values in the numerator and in the denominator. Both values can be cancelled and we are having 1 as the answer. So this question has been simplified to only 1. Next part is part 4, that is x cube minus y cube. Now another formula, x cube minus y cube. The formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Apply this formula on x minus y cube. Solution. We are going to apply the formula x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. This value remains as it is. X minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. That means denominator's value is same. Now cancel whatever the values can be cancelled. X minus y cancel with x minus y. These two values can be cancelled with each other. We are having x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the formula of x minus y whole square. The answer can be given in this form and in this form as well. Both the answers are correct. So this is the lowest form of this whole rational expression. 5 is x plus 2 x square minus 1 x plus 1 x square minus 4. X plus 2 x square minus 1 x plus 1 x square minus 4. X plus 2 x square minus 1, apply the formula a square minus b square, x square minus 1 square. It can be written as x plus 1 and x minus 1. In the denominator we are having x plus 1. This can also be reduced like x square minus 2 square. 4 is the square of 2. X plus 2 is as it is. X plus 1 x minus 1. In the denominator x plus 1 x plus 2 x minus 2. Cancel the values whichever can be cancelled. X plus 2 cancelled by x plus 2, x plus 1 by x plus 1. We are having only x minus 1 over x minus 2. Now next part is x square minus 4x plus 4. First of all, we'll see how can we factorize this. We can use the formula of a minus b whole square. We can also use the midterm breaking on it. So x square minus 2 of the formula into first term into the second term plus second term square over in the denominator. See which type of factorization can be done. We can take 2 as common in this. X square minus 4 is left. On x square minus 4, we again apply the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. This is whole formula x minus 2 whole square. Apply the formula. This will be x plus 2, x minus 2. Whole square means that this term can be written 2 times. Now x minus 2 and x minus 2 cancel. We are having x minus 2 in the numerator and 2 into x plus 2 in the denominator. That is the simplest and the smallest form of this expression. Second last part is 64x5 minus 64x. 8x square plus 8, 2x plus 2. In the numerator, we can take 64 common. We can take the least part, that means x as common. The remaining values are x4 minus 1 because 64x we have taken as common. In the denominator, 8 can be taken as common in the first values. X square plus 1 will be left after taking 8 as common. 2 can be taken as common and we are having x plus 1. 64x, x4 minus 1, we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. X square plus 1 is as it is, x plus 1 is as it is. 16 and 64 can be cancelled. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64. X will remain as it is. X square square minus 1 square, one time in positive, one time in negative, by the formula a square minus b square. X square plus 1 cancelled by x square plus 1. We are having x square minus 1. See, again we can apply the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So apply the formula. This will be x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1 cancel with x plus 1. We are having 4x, x minus 1. The last part of the question is 9x square minus x square minus 4 whole square, 4 plus 3x minus x square. 9x square is the square of 3x. We consider this as a whole one term and apply the formula of a square minus b square. See, 9x square means 3x whole square minus sign as it is x minus 4 whole square. This can be considered as a square minus b square. After applying the formula a plus b, a minus b, as it is having negative sign over here, so the internal signs will change. 3x plus x square minus 4, it will remain as it is because here it is positive sign. 3x minus sign will change these signs of these expressions, minus x square minus plus 4. Now see, in the denominator we are having positive 3x, 4, positive 4, minus x square, minus x square. It means this whole expression and this whole expression is same. We can cancel these two and finally we are having 3x plus x square minus 4. That can be arranged in the according to the order, like x square first, then 3x minus 4. Dears, we have completed question number 3. Now we are going to start question number 4. That is to evaluate this expression by putting these values. We are having the expression and we have to find out the value of this whole expression after putting the values of different variables. The first part of this is your homework, this question, and B part 1 and 2 is your homework. I am going to solve only one part of this. This is very easy question and you can solve it easily. X cube y minus 2z xz. We have been given with the values of x, y and z. Just put the values of these three variables in the expression. X minus cube minus 1 cube. Put the value of x, that is minus 1. Y is having the value minus 9. Minus 2 will remain as it is and z is having the value of 4. In the same way, denominator, x is having minus 1, z is having 4. Just solve this. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 because when we are having any odd exponent, so the sign remains changed, same. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it will be minus 1. Minus 9 as it is. 2 4s are 8. Minus minus we got plus. 9 ones are 9. Minus 8 over minus 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 as it is. So the value of this whole expression is minus 1 over 4. Dears, now complete this whole task, practice question number 3, this question, and do question number 4, A part 1 and B part 1 and 2 as your home task.